there and good evening. My name is Hinda and welcome to my channel. So today I want to go over a few things that I've made recently and show you them and talk a little bit about them. So let's get started. First off, I have this little birdie over here, amigurumi birdie, and I love making these little birds. I've made a few of them. They come out so cute and adorable. Next up, I have this donut that I've made, also amigurumi, and I love making these little donuts. They look so delicious, and I wish they were real so that I could eat it, but came out really nice and sweet. Next, I have this knitted vest over here, a V-neck knitted vest. I really like the little ribbing around the neck and the hands, and the bottom over here came out very nice, and I love how this yarn works up. It's a colorful yarn, so it changes colors by itself and it comes out really nice. And with that same yarn, I made this little wallet over here with these little buttons you could close. This is linen stitch crochet. I just made a big flat piece and then folded the sides and sewed them up, and then added these buttons so you could close it, and it's just a nice little wallet like that, perfect for like knitting supplies, crochet supplies, or even just for like money, cards, etc. Then I have this crochet book cover that I made. It came out a little bit too big for this book, but I really like how snug and cozy it looks. I do see that I think for a book cover it's better to use a thinner yarn. I used a pretty thick one, but I think next time I'll use a yarn that's a bit thinner, and then I think it'll fit a little bit better onto a book. Then I have this hat that I made on the knitting machine. Just a very easy and simple hat knit in the round. I have the Addy knitting machine, and came out very nice, perfect for winter. And then another hat I made on the knitting machine, and this one I made with stripes. So after every few rows, changing color, so it comes out these nice stripes like that. And then I made on the knitting machine this kind of shawl cowl thingy. It's basically like a infinity shawl because it's closed on both sides. So it like goes like that with a little twist in front. And I love how it came out with this yarn. This is also a like self-striping yarn, so on the knitting machine it came out a very nice pattern like that. And then with this same yarn I made also a crochet ribbed baby blanket, and the colors also came out really nice on this one. That. Then I have this cushion over here, which I used flat panels from the knitting machine, and I basically made two flat panels. I was originally planning to use them for something else, but that didn't work out, so I used them for the cushion, and then I crocheted them both together, so it made this kind of like nice border with the white, and it came out very cozy and nice, and I really like the cushion how it came out now. Next I have this hat that I made. I really like this pattern of the ribbed half double crochet into the back loop only, so it makes this like ribbing. I really like this this pattern how it comes out, mainly for hats but also for blankets and all kinds of things. Comes out very nice. And then I made these matching mittens with the same yarn as the hat, so I made these little mittens to go along with it. And this yarn came in a pack of 4, so these both took up one ball, and I still have 3 balls left, so I'm still debating what I should do. I want to make a matching maybe sweater, or like a set, like a sweater and a pants or something, but I'm not sure yet. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments of what I should make with the rest of this yarn. And for the last finished object that I have is this water bottle holder. Basically here you put the bottle, and I added a little pocket where you could put in your phone, so you have like a little thing to carry around your water and your phone, and came out very nice. And that's basically the finished object that I have. And I have one whip. Believe it or not, I only have one. I usually have a bunch of whips at one time, but for now I have only one. And it's this sweater over here. I'm making a crochet raglan open sweater. I'll show you. There we go. So I was doing the yoke, adding these increases for the sleeves, and I just separated them. I finished as big as I need for the sleeves, so now I'm working on just the body, so back and forth. And this one is coming out very nice. I do plan to add to it a zipper. I haven't yet ever used the zipper on a crochet or knitted item, so it's going to be a new experience for me, and I'm really looking forward to trying that. So that's for my whip over here. And that's all I have for now. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. All the best.